Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to fix Shopify sold out products. In your Shopify admin, click Settings at the bottom left corner, then select Locations. This will determine which inventory location will fulfill online orders. Now choose one of the inventory locations if you have one location selected. If multiple locations exist, select the one that you want to fulfill online orders from, like billing address, shipping origin, or warehouse near customers. Now make sure fulfillment online orders from this location is ticked for the selected location, and click View Inventory for the location. This page shows all products assigned to that location. Now ensure the quantities in Shopify match your actual stock and edit quantities if needed. Just click the number next to the product and enter the correct stock. Just don't forget to save changes before leaving the page and check your online store product pages to confirm that inventory levels are now correct. And your Shopify store should now display accurate stock levels, fixing the sold out or out of stock issues. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.